Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Laboratory World. Today I am discuss continuous MCQs on hematology. Okay, let's start. First one, normal fibrinogen level. Normal fibrinogen level. Option A 150 to 400 gram percentage. Option B 150 to 400 milligram percentage. Option C 15 to 40 milligram percentage. Option D 15 to 40 gram percentage. Correct answer option B 150 to 400 milligram percentage. Okay, next question. Infectious mononucleosis is caused by. Infectious mononucleosis is caused by. Option A echovirus. Option B Coxsackie virus. Option C Epstein-Barr virus EBV. Option D cytomegalovirus. Correct answer Epstein-Barr virus. Okay, next question. A typical lymphocytosis is seen in case of. A typical lymphocytosis is seen in case of. Option A Hodgkin's lymphoma. Option B multiple myeloma. Option C infectious mononucleosis. Option D chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Correct answer option C infectious mononucleosis. Next question. Monospore test is done to diagnose. I'm sorry, I am already tick the right question. Sorry, right answer. Option A acute myeloid leukemia. Option B acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Option C infectious mononucleosis. Option D infectious lymphocytosis. Correct monospore test is done to diagnose infectious mononucleosis. Next question. The test which depend on blood platelet and capillary fragility is. The test which depend on blood platelet and capillary fragility. Blood platelets and capillary fragility detect ചെയ്യുന്ന test. Option A prothrombin time. Option B thrombin time. Option C bleeding time. Option D clotting time. Correct answer option C bleeding time. It depends on blood platelet and capillary fragility. Bleeding time. Okay. Next question. Fibrin is broken to fibrin degradation product by the action of. After clot formation, it lies by the action of. Option A prothrombin. Option B thrombin. Option C plasminogen. Option D plasmin. Correct answer option D plasmin. Plasmin help to degrade fibrin. Next question. Acute myeloid leukemia is characterized by. Acute myeloid leukemia is characterized by. Option A low neutrophil alkaline phosphatase. Option B myeloblast with overrods. Option C neutrophil with Plager-Hut anomaly. Option D all of the above. Correct answer in acute myeloid leukemia seen myeloblast with overrods. Overrods. Okay. Next question. Plasminogen is converted to plasmin by. Plasminogen is converted to plasmin by. Option A heparin. Option B histamine. Option C urokinase. Option D serotonin. Correct answer plasminogen is converted to plasmin by urokinase. Okay. Next question. increased D-dimers and fibrin degradation product are seen in case of. Increased D-dimers and fibrin degradation products are seen in option A hemophilia A, option B vitamin K deficiency, option C diffuse intravascular coagulation DIC, option D von Willebrand disease. Correct answer option C diffuse intravascular coagulation. Next question. Activated protein C degrades. Activated protein C degrades. Option A factor 9A, option B factor 8A, option C factor 10A, option D factor 11A. Correct answer activated protein C degrades factor 8A. Factor 8A. Okay. Next question. Heparin is found in. Heparin is found in option A neutrophil, option B basophil, option C acidophil, option D all of the above. Correct answer option B basophil. Next question. In hemophilia A, the test which will be prolonged is. In hemophilia A, the test which will be prolonged is option A prothrombin time, option B activated partial thromboplastin time, here PTT partial thromboplastin time, option C bleeding time, option D all of the above. Correct answer option B prothrombin time. No, sorry, partial thromboplastin time. Partial thromboplastin time. Okay. Next question. Bleeding due to overdose of heparin is managed by giving. Bleeding due to overdose of heparin is managed by giving. Option A vitamin K, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin A, option D protamine sulfate. Correct answer option D protamine sulfate. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.